And we are just standing in this near to the collectorate office, near to the Bishnoi Dharamsala, Bikaner. Myself, Jiyunram Chetral from Bajju, because we are today. Both these media are working for since 5 days in this program. So I am also again. I am also the welcome to this, both. We are there doing this well media programs in this area, because so many people are just gathering here, say various sides, especially this Ganganagar, Nagaur, Sanchor, Jodhpur, also the Haryana and Ganganagar. Those this community of the 36 community, all communities are gathering here. By the today and tomorrow also, it will be remain uncounted in these days. So they are just strangling to protect this of the tree, though especially this khejali is in this area, because the tree is the khejali is to give our more this energy to the some people. They are also vegetable. They are also the have the one type of the grow this crops also. They are give the benefit to this area, and also this has also the food material is also given by this khejali. So we have to protect this khejali. And this according to air quality of index means our atmosphere also the heavy population is there. Due to this carbon dioxide there in the population is there. If the tree will be cut, we have to balance of our carbon dioxide, and oxygen will be disbalanced, because we are just taking the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, this is taken by the especially the tree, the plant, and they are released the oxygen. So this system of this circulation of carbon dioxide actually will be with the atmosphere. You can see this in Delhi, national the capital of Delhi. Air quality of index, this is more dangerous to our people, because due to the heavy the transportation system, there's agriculture systems, there's the transportation systems, there is a overloaded of this. Overloaded the public, so due to their have this air quality problem is there. So we have to protect our this or climate also. So I am just all the people just gathering in this Bishnoi Dharamsala, and they will be remain and just not a certain period, because they will be remain more than whatever they will reach to our target. They have taken this target. They will be reached to the target. Any this solution is there. In Jaipur, they gave some message to the PM, and there also the amendment was this law is to protect this our tree. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Have a nice journey. Myself, Jiyunram Chetral. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.